Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a Halloween pumpkin, one of many, so go check out the playlist. It's going to be real simple, easy, and incredibly short. So we're going to be using mostly circles in this one. So let's get started. I'm going to pull a curved line right here for the stem. Out a little bit over here for the thickness of the stem. Downward. Curve underneath. Going to go right here. Curve along the side. Right here. It's going to get larger as it goes down, right? Because a lot of different shapes of pumpkins for Halloween, if you've checked them out. Curve around here. On across. Down. Down. Over here. Down. Down for the eyes, up over here, across. Line across here, down, across here, curve underneath. Line, line, line. Line, line, line. Line, line, line. Line, line, line. Cross over here. Just to kind of fill in the darkness of the mouth. The reason you want to do that is because it's just kind of simple. It's another way to do that. Or you can just kind of fill it in. Line down, curve underneath, line down, line down, line down, curve underneath, line over here, line over here, line over here, curve underneath there. There you go. Line up, line up, line up. Curve underneath here. Line. All right, over here to the outside now. Curve down. Curve over here. Curve over here. It's kind of forming a thicker line around the outer edge to kind of give it a little bit of a, more solid look. And there you go. Very, very simple pumpkin. It's probably one of the easiest ones on the whole channel, to be honest. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Don't forget, say hi to me in the comments and share the video, okay? The Halloween season's here, so let's really push it, okay? Let's really push it throughout the internet. Talk to you later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.